There are three main types of companies that would benefit from ISO 42001 certification. The first one would be AI-powered startups. And oftentimes these organizations only have the bandwidth to pursue a single certification or attestation. And if the core of your value proposition is artificial intelligence, using ISO 42001 as that standard makes sense because it covers security and privacy, but it also covers a lot of other things like AI effectiveness. It covers the impacts to society and to individuals. So I think that's one area where ISO 42001 would be appropriate. A second place where ISO 42001 is appropriate is for companies that are training on customer data. We've seen a series of controversies related to companies like Zoom, like Slack, like DocuSign that disclosed in a non-transparent way that they were using customer data for training, and there was a backlash in each of those cases. Now, whether it's justified or not is a different story, and I don't want to lump all of those companies together, but the key issue is that people did not fully understand how their data was being used, and they did not have effective assurance that it was being used in a responsible and privacy-preserving manner. Having an external audit regarding your AI practices can help build that confidence with customers. The third type of company that would benefit from ISO 42001 certification is a heavily regulated one, specifically in healthcare or financial services. At least in the United States, interestingly enough, there's already a law on the book in Colorado that specifically calls out ISO 42001 compliance as giving you safe harbor under certain circumstances if there's some sort of regulatory action against your company. In healthcare, there are a lot of concerns about data privacy and how AI is being used. And then same thing with financial services because people view financial information as being quite sensitive. So being able to demonstrate that you have a sound, grounded program for managing AI risk would be a big benefit for heavily regulated companies.